Hello everyone. Hi Gary, hi Rahim. Good to see you guys. I believe this is a second session of CNM Cyber Support, second meeting of CNM Cyber Support uh, development, operation, and also trying to figure out how we will be giving out or approving proposal and signing the contract as well. So I'll share my screen and also the current state of what we have in regards to this role
Yeah,
we call.
mm,
Yes, Gary.
yeah. May I jump in?
Yeah,
So again, we like just for like from for those who are kind of completely new.
correct.
So we are building right now customer support.
Uh-huh.
So and we decided this is the first operation which we will have.
Yes.
So customer support it is something which will support new and existing members
Uh-huh.
who want to join,
Yeah.
to help them with the registration, to
Uh-huh.
explain what it is, like
Correct.
do some onboarding,
Yeah.
and then kind like keep them kind of engaged or kind of keep them to be like involved, right? If they
Yes.
have some questions which they cannot find the answers,
Uh-huh.
it is basically the kind of the support part.
Yes.
And we and right now we're discussing how we will develop it, right?
Correct.
How we will kind of do it.
Uh-huh.
Before we had a tentative agreement
Yes.
that Rahim will do like the first like operation, start basically testing what he kind of created on his own.
Uh-huh.
It is kind of alpha. It's called like alpha testing, literally,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
If he hadn't done it before.
Uh-huh.
But we at the same time we need someone who will be the customer, someone who will be on another side, right?
Yeah.
Because if just like him will kind of go there
Uh-huh.
and sit on the email like, and no one emailed him, what is the purpose, right? It's no purpose.
Correct.
So we actually need someone to kind of to be involved, to test,
Uh-huh.
and maybe be the next one. So from what we discussed, what
Yeah.
we're missing the part of bringing up like new people,
Correct.
because this position assumes
Uh-huh.
that it will be like new people all the time, right?
Yes.
Um, and that is why that is what we want to discuss,
Correct.
right?
Yes. And also just
Okay.
to add on it, how it's going to run as an operation on its own and sustainable operation. Sustainable operation. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yes,
uh-huh.
yeah. Sustainability was kind of a missing part. That
Correct.
is why I decided to stop
Hmm.
kind of the first kind of discussion, because it was no like sustainability part,
Yeah.
kind
Yeah.
of meaning kind of bringing people, collecting, posting, and so on and
Hmm.
so forth.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. So there are a few points I highlighted on our meeting agenda that we had discussed with Gary initially. And also, since we didn't find answers to these points, we thought it's a good idea to have a meeting where we'll discuss with everyone, see their point of
Hmm.
view, and come to a conclusion. So, first, one of the things that we need to align with is contract awarding process. How do we
Hmm.
award this contract? How do people apply? Where are we going to store such that this person is going to be approved for the next week, the coming weeks, and the one who's applying today, when are they going to be scheduled to take over the role? And also onboarding and handing over. That was also another point that we had in our discussion. Also, the responsibilities of the contractor or the CNM Cyber customer support agent. Proposal handling, I've mentioned that one already. Weekly reporting, maybe a short report of the emails, what they were able to do for that week, any activity that took place, and also how we are going to handle these weekly customer support meetings. Who is going to organize them? How are the uh, agendas going to be generated? Who are the attendees? Um, Something like that. Yeah. Let me know if there's anything I've left out we need to also discuss.
Y- Yeah, again, to put it into kind of perspective.
Hmm.
So we are building right now this operation,
Correct.
and we will use kind of, it will consist of several products,
Hmm.
kind of, and like work products.
Yes.
And these work products which we will use in order to recruit people.
Hmm.
So like we will advertise this position, and
Hmm.
we need to decide on the name of the position,
Yeah.
because you say agent. I'm not sure about agent.
Ah.
Maybe agent.
Hmm.
Like uh, so uh, like this position we will advertise.
Correct.
People will be replying,
Hmm.
and we will say, yeah, this position is available. But if you are interested in bigger program like Wise Next,
Hmm.
kind of, uh, you will have like a preference, right?
Yes.
Because if someone from Wise Next applies, we
Hmm.
will probably tend to bring another person.
Okay.
This job, which is kind of this agent job, will not be a part of Wise Next,
Yes.
but it will be example of the job which people can start
Hmm.
while being in the Wise Next
Correct.
program, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Because Wise Next is more like exploratory,
Hmm.
and this is more like a running operation. So it is more like a normal job, other than like Wise Next is more
Yeah.
like touching different pieces.
Hmm.
Uh, so um, I'm trying to understand what we're missing generally here.
Hmm.
Do you have a list of products? Like what this kind of what we're discussing, this like
Yes.
customer support, what the number of products you will have,
Yeah.
where this list is. It's on the wiki somewhere.
List of products. There's a description of the responsibilities. So I can say what we want to have and what we have right now and see the difference. Also, to get Rahim up to speed with what we are talking about.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
looking. I'm trying every time I'm missing something. So
Uh-huh.
let's say, do you have a list of the products which comes with this this row?
Uh-huh.
We will work with several products, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you have a list of the products? Because it sounds like I thought it's like really easy, but
Mm-hmm.
it now sounds like kind of really complicated. So let's say again, it should be like a common hour
Correct.
as an event, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Then it should be this kind of welcome or whatever, like space handle on their like conference meeting,
Mm-hmm.
whatever we'll call it.
Yes.
It should be welcome space,
Mm-hmm.
and it should be also this customer support space too, right?
Yeah.
Then when we have this customer support space, it comes with kind of these weekly events,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So it is even kind of the list of the products
Mm-hmm.
is already kind of like long enough. So I would probably prefer to see it as a list. Like
Mm-hmm.
this role deals with these products. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Contract by itself
Mm-hmm.
is also a product, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I noted that you put like a Rahim's contract,
Mm-hmm.
but it is kind of tentative name. So you will put like everyone's name kind of when they emerge. No, it should be
No,
the general contract which people will be signing, right?
correct.
And the process, this like onboarding and kind of and selection like operation,
Mm-hmm.
it's an operation as well. So even the description also kind of a
It's
product.
needed.
So
Yeah.
SOP is a product by itself, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So what else?
Mm-hmm.
What else? Like I want to also I want to clarify what we want to get from this out of this meeting.
Yes.
Like we will get what we will agree on what which direction the job should go, right?
Correct. Yes.
I'm not sure that we will be able to kind of to finalize the contract because right now it sounds looks to me kind of too complicated, and
Mm-hmm.
even you kind of cannot mention. We haven't decided like about many different things, right?
Yeah.
Many different things haven't been decided,
Mm-hmm.
yet. So
Yeah.
most likely it will be some development
Mm-hmm.
project, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we it is what we go, right? Or
Yes.
no?
Yeah.
So we will agree at the end. Right now we are deciding. Let's say if Rahim will work on this,
Mm-hmm.
what Rahim will kind of will deliver, right?
Correct.
Or we'll hire someone else. Maybe, could
Mm-hmm.
be.
Mm-hmm.
Um, it's also kind of like a possibility
Yeah.
because I feel like we need to start
Mm-hmm.
advertising,
Yes.
and we can No, probably it's better to start some operation.
Yeah.
I would say probably it's reasonable to him to give, let's say, Rahim like a week
Mm-hmm.
to do something,
Mm-hmm.
to adjust something,
Mm-hmm.
and then in a week we will start advertising as well, right?
Okay.
I mean, kind of basically we need to start like this testing um, after we have some
Mm-hmm.
participants.
Mm-hmm.
So possibly we need to kind of to decide. It's kind of make a decision together.
Mm-hmm.
Does it make sense, Rahim? What do you think?
Yeah, first of all, how are you, sir?
I'm fine, sir.
Thank you so
I,
much.
I,
Um, I think you're making sense. We need to have someone that can also put their input. I don't have a problem with the starting it. I've already started the common hour. The event is to take place
yeah.
tomorrow. Yeah, so I
Mm.
am so ready for it, sir.
Can Kevin like join you or maybe me and play kind of this like a novice role, kind of someone who is who is completely unaware of, like something like that.
Yeah, sure.
Kevin,
Yes. Yes.
can you play this role or not?
Mm-hmm. I can.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, yes. So, when we do this, I think the SOP for organizing the event, uh, we've tested it severally. That is what I can say we have for now in regards to this.
But again, like I want to stop again.
Uh-huh.
Like when you say SOP,
Mm-hmm.
what product does it touch? Does this
That is.
SOP defines this space like which we open right now? Is this space is
Mm-hmm.
in SOP? Yes or no? Is the space some CNMCyber's customer support
Mm-hmm.
is mentioned in SOP or no? Yes or no? It's easy answer. Yes or no?
No, no.
So it's not like it's not. It's not SOP. It's kind of SOP draft.
Mm-hmm.
And I can continue this question. So again, like I would say the first step, I will define what products it should include.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Mm-hmm.
for every of those products, again,
They have their own.
meeting right now, we have this meeting. We
Mm-hmm.
have this meeting right now. We
Correct.
have this support meeting, right?
Yes.
It must be an SOP too.
Yes.
It must be like development meeting
Mm-hmm.
when people will kind of join and kind of say something, right?
Yeah.
It must be kind of inside of this SOP
Mm-hmm.
because generally based on kind of on our beta testing number two,
Mm-hmm.
so we had a really good like we developed a really good model
Mm-hmm.
with Rahim.
Yeah.
Like several people have kind of the same assignment,
Mm-hmm.
but one succeeded,
Yes.
means Rahim. So
Correct.
we brought Rahim on the board.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to do the same thing over and over again.
Yeah.
So it is not like you are more a person, oh guys, who want to take over come an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I want to take over. Okay, you will do it. And whom else?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we need more people who want to do it.
Yeah.
No, it is kind of a wrong approach.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't work. It didn't work like even for now.
Mm-hmm.
The right way is hackathon, right?
Correct.
So our meeting right now
Mm-hmm.
should be a kind of a prototype
Mm-hmm.
of this hackathon.
Mm-hmm.
We'll say, guys, it's what we have. What we're missing. You participated.
Mm-hmm.
What we're missing. What you kind of ask the questions, and if someone who is engaged, like has kind of a good questions, we will bring these people like in, right? But if you are sitting, don't ask questions, don't like contribute anything,
Yeah.
it's okay. We move forward. But
Okay.
again, this meeting must be a part of SOP. So SOP will be like a complex document
Mm-hmm.
which will cover several products.
Correct. So my thinking is we can create this document that covers all products touched involved in
Mhm.
this role, and we can have meetings specifically for each product and create SOP how the process should go like, and then eventually we'll put all these SOPs together and test it such that uh,
Mhm.
can be somehow of an operation.
Yes, I
Mhm.
would say it's what my thinking. My thinking that like these development meetings which we have right now
Mhm.
for us
Mhm.
without testers
Mhm.
is more important than just having like meetup without testers.
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense. Like this meeting by itself is more important than the customer support meeting which we'll have
Mhm.
as of now.
Mhm.
Because for this meeting we have participants,
Yeah.
you, me, and Rahim. Okay, it's good enough,
Mhm.
and we already can start um building something,
Mhm.
awarding their project contract,
Mhm.
not contract, awarding the project kind of project job.
Yeah.
Let's call it this way.
Mhm.
And yeah,
Okay.
does it make sense?
Yes, it makes sense. So these projects are going to be the work products, SOP for work products of this customer CNMCyber customer support operation.
Yeah, I'm looking right now. I'm looking at the space. I want to
Mhm.
find it.
Okay.
So okay, customer support space.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 8 members.
Mm-hmm.
Who, like, we need to decide who will be the members here.
Correct.
Like, it's kind of otherwise we will have like all the time
Yeah.
like a long list of people
Mm-hmm.
who don't know what they're there, right?
Yeah. So, like I said, we need to identify the a list of products involved in this operation, and then we'll have a meetings to discuss how the SOP should look like, and we'll keep on. So, for each product, let's say, for example, this CNM Cyber customer support space, we'll talk about the security features, how to join, how to exit, who will manage the space, how to improve so it as a product, and then we'll move to another product. Let's say the common hour handle,
Yeah,
Jitsi, and talk about it. So this way we'll be creating SOP for all these products. We'll put them together,
hmm
and then while this operation will be ongoing, and these meetings we can be updating them as from the meetings, suggestions from people, and also we'll know who is responsible for these updates, to manage what and what. Yeah, that is my thing,
that's cool.
the direction that we may need.
Yes, that is cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
Mhm.
So let's start, like, let's do something which I mentioned we need to agree on.
Okay.
What will be the name of this role? What the name of this role?
Yeah. Like I was thinking, like we figure out what is on demand in the market in regards to customer support, and we name this
Yeah,
role according to what the market wants as of now. Such that if I come
good.
and say I did ABCD, I was a customer support agent for CNMCyber. This is what the market needs
Correct.
at this time. Yeah.
Yeah, but what the name of this role? Like, can we create, so instead of just naming this role different ways,
Hmm.
can we just right now agree on the name? This person in the resume, what
Hmm.
this person will put?
Yes.
I was cool.
Uh-huh. We can ask maybe ChatGPT. What is the
Yes, ChatGPT.
yeah?
I asked before. I asked like not ChatGPT. I asked like Perplexity. I
Uh-huh.
said, "What are the generic names?" But it gave kind of a list, long list of the names, maybe like 10 different bullets.
Hmm.
But we need to select one to be
Yeah.
on the same page.
Correct. Yeah, we need to do that.
Rahim, are you with us? Because we had this discussion before. So me and Kevin, we already kind of a little bit more advanced. But
Mhm.
you are catching up. You understand what we are talking about?
I think he dropped off. His network had some issues. So from the 10, can we find out the one that is more marketable compared to the other one?
Yeah, ask the question. Ask the same like ChatGPT.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe better perplexity.
Yeah.
Or ChatGPT. Ask like what is their the most popular maybe.
Mm-hmm.
And that and kind of it's a good idea. And
Yeah.
just pick the one.
Okay.
Pick the one which should you.
Mm-hmm.
We can change it later, but I want to start with something we agree
We're
on.
doing something correct. Yes. It's a good thing. It's taking a while. Yes. So we have several in different categories. For example, customer experience associate, customer success
Hmm?
agent, support engineer, product support specialist, user support analyst.
Ask which one is the most popular. Which one is the most kind of
Yeah.
generic? Which one is the most kind of like
Hmm.
because we want to put something which is kind of like widespread.
Correct.
The more popular the better.
Yeah. It has given me three: customer support specialist, customer experience associate, customer support representative.
I don't like specialist
Mm-hmm.
because specialists assume the specialist can be just like um, people can kind of don't like it.
Yes.
So associate and representative,
Mm-hmm.
this is kind of we need to decide between two.
Yeah.
But let me ask kind of perplexity.
Okay.
Yeah, did you use ChatGPT?
Yeah, that's ChatGPT.
You don't like perplexity. I'm asking what is the most popular
Mm-hmm.
title
Mm-hmm.
for someone conducting customer support. According to Perplexity, the most popular title for someone conducting customer support is customer service representative.
Mm.
This title appears most frequently in job posting
Mm-hmm.
and it is widely recognized across industries, with
Mm-hmm.
more than half of customer service related jobs
Mm-hmm.
using this and the highest monthly search volume among related roles. Customer support representative
Mm-hmm.
is also common,
Mm-hmm.
but customer service representative remains leading
Okay.
and the most standard title.
Ah,
I like customer service representative.
all right. Let's. I'll update the name of the space right away.
Yeah, let's do kind of let's just like let's make a decision. Like let's make a decision. We'll call it customer service representative.
Yeah. Mm. It's done. So it does not fit. Or the entire word does not fit in the title. CNMCyber customer support representative. So should we take out CNMCyber and just have customer service representative space?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
What do you mean space? What do you, what, I didn't get it.
Yeah,
Oh
like.
no 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 no
Uh-huh.
space. The name of the space it can be the same. It doesn't matter.
Oh.
Customer support is fine.
Mm-hmm.
Customer support. I would put it like I would put it something like we use the word kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we can use like the word kitchen for everything behind the scenes.
Okay.
Because support.
Mm-hmm.
I see what you are saying, but it should be some word develop, like some word specifically saying this is for like development.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Probably we can have CNMCyber customer support kitchen space.
Customer support kitchen. Yeah, kitchen. The
Mhm.
space will be assumed
Yeah. Okay.
because
Yeah.
everything in CNMCyber is a space.
Yeah. Okay. So we've agreed on the name of the role. Now.
We can change it later, but for now.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Yeah. So now, to move forward, probably we may have a series of meetings like this ones. Probably 30 minutes. We discuss one product and how the SOP should look like, and move on to the next as we go.
Let's generally agree on the list of the work products.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Uh,
Correct.
um, and then because when we kind of it will give us a scope
Mm-hmm.
what we want to develop,
Yes.
and then we will see where we at different products, right?
Correct.
Can you click on the wiki I just posted of list of the work products?
Mhm.
I will change there.
Okay. Yes. Yes. I've seen it. Mm-hmm. Come on now. Yeah. Guest room. Okay. Welcome.
So I right now I organize it like three parts.
Mm-hmm.
One part, the one which can be seen by the customers.
Mm-hmm.
It's a common hour, guest room, whatever we will call it,
Yeah.
and welcome space, right?
Correct.
Also, what we are missing, it should be some like customer support services. Let's say at KNX, since we use KNX right now,
Mm-hmm.
who and other products like all this like email, or if you have difficult email there, it
Mm-hmm.
should be some kind of some services, right?
Yes.
I will put kind of KNX,
Mm-hmm.
comma, like applet,
Mm-hmm.
net,
Mm-hmm.
etc. Wherever the customers, our customers can be potential customers.
Yeah.
Then, starting with number 5, I
Mm-hmm.
put kind of like SOP, which will be kind of something which will be behind the scenes
Mm-hmm.
of the services which customers will see. But
Mm-hmm.
then
Mm-hmm.
we need to create something to manage, to adjust, to make this operation sustainable, which is kind of how to handle email
Yeah.
or kind of requests, not only email.
Mm-hmm.
Email request,
Mm-hmm. We have
email
also
slash request.
the contract as well is another product.
Contract is a good
Mhm.
idea.
And proposals.
Yeah, and the contract,
Mm-hmm.
let's put it number 6. Okay, I just saved. If you refresh,
Okay. Yes.
so common hour, guest room, welcome space,
Mm-hmm.
and kind of customer support services
Mm-hmm.
part, services, not services, resources, customer support resources at KNX.
Mm-hmm.
Then SOP, then contract itself to run SOP,
Yeah.
then email request management,
Mm-hmm.
customer support space, customer support development meeting.
Mm-hmm. Onboarding.
It will be a part of SOP.
Okay.
But we need to create kind of, the system.
Mm-hmm.
Rahim is not here, right? No.
Yeah. Not here.
I'm really excited about kind of this idea right now to develop this,
Mm-hmm.
like to create this like good, like friendly
Mm-hmm.
customer experience
Yeah.
for like new people.
Mm-hmm.
When we have this
Yes.
like settled, we start advertising, bring new people on the board,
Mm-hmm.
and we can move to develop the rest, like KNX.com and so on and so forth.
Correct.
But let's start with this.
Okay.
And I feel like it is what we need to concentrate,
Mm-hmm.
and all the budget should go here. What we're missing? We're missing welcome video, by the way.
Yeah. And also, should we have compensation as part of the product?
What do you mean?
Mm, how much applicants should expect to get paid for this role and how they'll get paid?
It will be a part of contract.
Okay.
We will. What you are saying is a part of the package for
Yes.
kind of advertising, selecting, and bringing new people on board.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know that this particular role,
Mm-hmm.
should run everything. So let's say probably advertising will be not a part of this role, right?
Okay. Yes.
Advertising should
Yeah.
be
Yeah.
kind
Yeah.
of somewhere
Separate.
outside.
Mm-hmm.
But the part of this role will be when this like new person,
Mm-hmm.
like when new people are coming,
Mm-hmm.
to bring them on board, to help them, to shadow, to show them,
Mm-hmm.
to help them in the way you helped Rahim,
Yeah.
but it must be, you did it as a kind of, as a friendly person,
Mm-hmm.
but it must be a part of operation, like distinctive.
Correct.
Okay, a part of your job will be like reply on emails,
Mm-hmm.
conduct this meeting, conduct that meeting,
Mm-hmm.
and
On board.
kind of onboard
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
someone else.
Mm-hmm.
I would say we need to capture. So let's say one of the thoughts behind
Mm-hmm.
is that this operation is not just like operation, like common hour, okay, like do common hour, but it should be a process. What to do? People ask the question, right?
Mm-hmm.
Someone, let's say Brian said,
Right.
"Oh, I cannot register."
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, this kind of information must be captured
Mm-hmm.
and moved to somewhere.
Yes.
In our case, it must be moved to like customer support space, customer support development space, right?
Mm-hmm.
Customer support development space.
Mm-hmm.
And discuss and maybe kind of, and it should be adjusted. Some requests should be given.
Yeah.
some request, or we need to change this. This is the problem.
Mm-hmm.
We need to work on this problem.
Okay.
So it should be with the link how this person will give the results to, let's say, to a community board
Mm-hmm.
or to a
Yeah.
manager.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I will put it I will put it right now tentatively so we will not miss it.
Okay.
For
Mm-hmm. Thank you.